MamoPay has become one of the most efficient ways to send money across borders, especially for users who want fast delivery, low fees, and a simple transfer process. Understanding the best method to maximize speed and value is important because the platform offers multiple options, and each behaves differently depending on the country you're sending from and where the money is going. The most reliable method is the direct wallet-to-bank transfer. This allows you to move funds from your MamoPay wallet straight into the recipient's bank account without involving extra intermediaries. It reduces delays, avoids hidden charges, and keeps the transfer process clean. When you load funds into your wallet using a supported debit or credit card, MamoPay converts the amount at competitive rates, usually better than traditional bank offerings. Once the funds reflect, the transfer to the destination bank is processed quickly, often within minutes to a few hours depending on the region. Another strong method is using the wallet-to-wallet transfer option when the recipient also has a MamoPay account. This is usually instant, free, and extremely secure. It works best when the recipient can either cash out locally or transfer to their bank account on their end. This method is ideal for urgent transfers because the speed is immediate and the processing is straightforward. Avoid using unsupported cards or third-party top-ups because they can trigger extra verification steps that slow the transfer down. Also ensure your account name matches your ID information to prevent any compliance holds. Keep your transfer amounts accurate and stable. MamoPay processes international transfers effectively when amounts are consistent with account history. For users sending regularly, keeping a small balance inside the MamoPay wallet helps reduce transfer time. It eliminates repeated card checks and allows you to send money instantly whenever needed. The combination of card-funded wallet loading and direct bank payout remains the most dependable method for smooth, fast, and cost-effective international transfers on MamoPay.